We'll guide you through how to create automations in ClickUp, making your workflow more efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the space where you want to set up an automation. Hover over the namespace, click the three-dot button. In the drop-down menu, select the Automations option. This will take you to the Automations page where you can manage and create new automations. Now, click on the Create an Automation button. You'll see a list of triggers and actions that you can use to build your automation. A trigger is an event that will start the automation, and an action is what you want ClickUp to do automatically once the trigger occurs. For example, if you want to automatically assign a task to a team member when a status changes, you would choose Status Changes as your trigger and Assign Task as your action. ClickUp also provides pre-built automation templates that you can use to get started quickly. Just click on the Browse Templates button, and you can see a variety of common automation scenarios. Once you have selected your trigger and action, you can further customize by adding conditions. Conditions help you specify under what circumstances the automation should run. For instance, you can set a condition for the status to be in progress to trigger the automation. When you're done setting everything up, click Save to activate your automation. And there you have it. Your automation is now live and will operate based on the rules you've set. Automations can save you a lot of time by reducing repetitive tasks, so take advantage of them to boost productivity in your team. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.